Hi, we are Compylo and this video is regarding the interview questions of Azure Analysis Services. In one of the previous videos, we discussed about creating a project from scratch. Now, say you created a project from scratch, then how to import data for that? Okay. So to import the data, we have to go to the model view. And as you can see on the screen, we have an option to import from data source, right? So once you click on it, you will get an option like this. Here you can import data from file, from database, from Azure, from other online services or any other option, right? So as you can see on the screen, if we have an all option selected, then we get different options like Excel, text or CSV, then XML, JSON, right? Folder, SQL Server database and many others. Similarly, if we click on Azure, so what we will get? Azure SQL database, Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure Blob Storage, Table Storage, HD Insight Spark, Cosmos DB, and Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 1. Now, say if you click on any of these options, like let's take an example of Azure Synapse Analytics, right? So once you click on Azure Synapse Analytics, you will have to specify the name of server. You can also specify the name of database. So once you click on OK, it will ask for username and password. There are three types of access options. First is using Windows, then second is database, and third is Microsoft account. You can use whichever way you like. And once you connect the right server and database with this model, you will be able to import the data the way shown on the screen. Once tables are visible in the place where it is written no items selected for preview. So once tables are visible here, you can either load or transform them. So that's how you can import the data directly. Thank you.